bloodstained map clutched tight. "Forbidden Forest," he whispered, tracing the ominous title with a trembling finger. His friend Lena, ever the pragmatist, scoffed. "Superstition, Sam. Old wives' tales." But even Lena couldn't deny the unsettling chill that permeated the air as they stepped onto the path leading into the woods. Eclipse, a sleek black cat with eyes like burning embers, padded silently beside them, a silent guardian. The forest was a canvas of perpetual twilight. Thick mist clinging to the gnarled trees like spectral shrouds. Strange, glowing symbols pulsed faintly on the bark, their meaning lost to time. They passed crumbling ruins, their stones slick with moss and age, and heard whispers on the wind, chilling murmurs that seemed to speak of forgotten tragedies. In the distance, they saw Ida Castle, silhouetted against the stormy sky, its towers reaching towards the heavens like skeletal fingers. It pulsed with an unnatural light, a malevolent glow that drew them closer, despite their apprehension. Inside, the castle was a labyrinth of shadows and secrets. Glowing eyes watched them from the darkness, fleeting glimpses of creatures both terrifying and strangely beautiful. The air hung heavy with the scent of decay and magic. They followed the map's cryptic clues, each step echoing in the cavernous halls. Finally, they reached the heart of the castle, a vast chamber dominated by a pedestal. On it rested the Shadow Stone, radiating a power both alluring and terrifying. As Sam reached for it, the ground trembled. A monstrous figure emerged from the shadows, its form shifting and swirling like smoke. It was the guardian of the stone, a creature of pure darkness. Lena, summoning unexpected courage, threw a handful of shimmering dust of protective charm she'd found in the ruins into the creature's face. It recoiled, momentarily blinded, giving Sam the chance to snatch the Shadow Stone. The creature roared, but its power seemed to wane as the stone left its pedestal. They fled, the creature's enraged howls echoing behind them as they burst from the castle and into the pale dawn. Back in the village, they placed the Shadow Stone in its rightful place, a hidden shrine beneath the ancient oak. The balance was restored, the forest's malevolence subdued. They had faced their fears and emerged victorious, their friendship forged in the crucible of their perilous adventure. The map, its purpose served, crumbled to dust in Sam's hand, leaving only the memory of their incredible journey.